Hello and welcome to this Maven Consultancy tutorial on how to set up your email account on your Mac. So the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to open up a web browser. So start by clicking on Safari down here, or alternatively you can use Chrome or Firefox, whichever you prefer. And then we type in mail.mavenconsultancy.com in the top there. There's no need to use the www for this part. And then this will take you to the login screen. From here, you can enter your email address and password and access your email account from anywhere in the world. But in this particular example, we're going to set up this computer with the email account. So we'll need to click on integration with Mac just below it. We'll then click on set up my Mac just up here, and then you'll get this prompt. The name and password it's asking for here is your email address as well as your email password. If you don't know either of those, please don't hesitate to get into contact with us or the person that's getting you to set up your email account, and then we can easily get those details for you. So you just enter those in there and click login. The next thing it will do is it will download a small package. So you just go into your downloads folder and you've got the package there. So you click on it to run it. Quite often what will happen is you'll be confronted with this prompt. It's basically saying that Apple doesn't recognize this particular developer and your security preferences are stopping you from installing it. So all we'll need to do is open up System Preferences, click on Security and Privacy at the top, and then unclick the little lock icon here. So for this part, you'll need an administrator password. If you are one, then you can just tap in, it'll be the same password that you used to log into your Mac in there. If not, you'll need to get an administrator to do that. And then all you need to do is just change this setting from Mac App Store and identify developers to anywhere. So you'll get this prompt saying that it will automatically reset after 30 days and click allow from anywhere. What we do recommend is once you have done this is to go back and change that setting back to Mac App Store and identified developers just to keep your Mac secure. The next step then is to restart that package, and you'll notice this time it goes straight through and starts running. So we'll just need to click continue, continue, and then install. This will ask for your Mac password again, so you just need to tap that in there and click install software. It'll then come to this running package scripts page, which it might stay on for a little while, so don't be worried if it doesn't move. And then it will open up another prompt in just a moment, so we'll just wait for that to pop up. So as you can see, it's now loaded up the Kerio Connect Account Assistant. So from here, you can choose what you want the Kerio Connect Assistant to set up for you. The Kerio Connect Assistant can either set up the Apple Productivity Suite of mail, contacts, and calendars for you, or it can do Microsoft Outlook. We do recommend doing one or the other and not both, as sometimes things can get a bit confused. In this particular example, we're not going to set up Microsoft Outlook, and we're not using messages as well at the moment. So it's just be the Apple Mail, Apple Contacts, and Apple Calendars and Reminders. So click Continue. You'll then be prompted once again for your password. So you just pop that in and click continue. It will then start running through the setup for this. Occasionally what can happen is it can get stuck on the first port. So if it stays on that for a little while, just simply click cancel, click continue again, and quite often it will then kick through fine for the second time. If we just click configure, this will then start, you'll get a little update at the bottom of what it's actually doing. So it's configuring the Kerio account in all the various apps. It's removing other profiles. You may see some of the apps pop up behind you. So as you can see, we've got calendars popped up just as it's installing bits. And then it will be installing the configuration profile. And then you get this final screen showing up that the install has been completed. You just click close. You can have a look at your different mail accounts. And as you can see here, we've got the mail account with some various emails, and then the same is true for contacts and calendars. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you do need any help with it, please don't hesitate to get in contact with the support team, either by emailing support@mavenconsultancy.com or giving the office a call, and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching, and cheerio.